Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. We asked a dietitian to rank which types of cereals deliver the most protein-preserving. Protein-fortified breakfast cereals are some of the highest protein cereal options, providing 10 to 20 grams of protein-preserving. Homemade granola allows you to control the protein content by adding ingredients like nuts, seeds, and beans. Old-fashioned oats are a good source of protein, and cooking them in milk further boosts the protein content. Muesli, a European breakfast option, contains a mix of grains and plant-based proteins for a satiating, high-protein meal. Breakfast porridges made with whole grains like quinoa, teff, and amaranth are naturally higher in protein than refined grains. Pairing breakfast cereals with milk, yogurt, nuts, and seeds can increase the overall protein content of the meal. Consuming a high-protein breakfast is linked to better satiety, appetite control, lean muscle mass, and blood sugar regulation. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. =speak